Hey, my shit just cut off.
What you need? Okay.
Hey, the road's out. It's washed out, but you should be able to make it.
Okay. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As always, like, subscribe, comment, help us grow. And we back at it again.
Back at it again, baby.
We got the bikes loaded up back there.
Packed out really way too much.
Yeah. Oh, I'll show you how much packed out too much.
Just way back.
But we're going on a little adventure ride this weekend, doing some camping. And we're meeting up with two other guys that I met off Facebook. Never have ridden with them before, but we'll give it a shot and see how everything goes out. And then
Got some good food.
yeah. When we tell y'all we overly packed, look at this. This is Timmy's bike. The Kimi Moto 50 liter saddlebags are packed to the rim. Look, hamburger buns. Probably gonna be more like hamburger pancakes when we get done, but they on there. Give you a shot. Look how packed. Timmy's overly packed, but he is carrying
4 people though.
Yeah, he's got
2 pounds of hamburger.
Yeah, 2 pounds of hamburger meat in there. He's feeding all 4 of us tonight. So not just me and him tonight cooking. He's cooking for everybody.
Yeah, we're kind of looking forward to hanging out with some new guys. We ain't done it yet really, so
Gonna break out that new invention on y'all today too, boy.
yeah, that grumpy grill. Wait till you see it.
The grumpy grill. It's gonna be pretty cool. So we're gonna try that. Get on that. My bike. First time I've really got to pack with all my new stuff. Pretty clean pack. Ain't too shabby. It's been a while, fellas. We back on it though. We ready. Get that grumpy grill tonight, and we'll get y'all some footage of what we're riding to and what we're doing. And right now we're just out here on a bad little area waiting on some people, but we're gonna get on it. And we're gonna do it.
It's gonna be a good weekend.
Let's get after it. Just to give you an idea where we at, we're starting out in Helen, Georgia. It's a little recreation of a German town, I guess, in the here in the mountains of North Georgia.
Yeah, hard in Georgia.
And what we're going to do, our plans are anyway, is to go ride some of the rest of the Georgia Traverse that we hadn't been on yet, and maybe connect some of it to the Smoky Mountain 500. Look at Bigfoot. Maybe do some other roads. We really don't know. It ain't really a plan. The plan is no plan.
No plan.
We're going to just make our way around and
Have fun.
meet some new people and do some camping. That's our plan for the weekend. But you get out of this town as quickly as possible, because by lunchtime there'll be so many goddamn people here.
We'll be sitting in seconds.
Yeah, so you get in and out of here. We met up with Danny and Jason. We'll give y'all some introductions to them if they want to be on camera later. We hopefully will be on gravel here shortly. It's a bunch of this stuff so far. Look, everybody, we made it to gravel, finally! Gravel! Gravel! We ain't wearing off millimeters of tread anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, a little dirt. Oh, it's dirt! It's dirt! Oh, that tire is so good, dude.
I gotta get like that in a minute.
Look, they was gonna pull right over in our way.
Hey, my shit just cut off.
What you need? Okay.
Hey, the road's out. It's washed out, but you should be able to make it.
Okay. Thank you. You running? You choked it out. Look, that was a rookie move there.
I didn't choke it out. I don't know what happened.
He said it was the roads just washed out ahead. Oh, water. Oh, hey, it might be a little. Oh, damn! Look, creek crossing. Hell yeah! We thought we wanted one. We got it. We wanted one. We got it, boy. Wet feet for the rest of the day. Trying to get that on film. Oh yeah, he splashed. Okay, I gotta see where we're going. I don't know which way we go.
Hell yeah! We was wondering if we'd get to do that.
That was pretty early. I didn't know that was there.
Hey, right down, right down.
That's right. We got a creek crossing early in the day, guys. How you like that? That was pretty good. No wet feet. Even better. Oh, another one, baby. Yeah. I'm so excited. This is so good. Oh, so good, dude. We got 2 of them in one road. And I don't even got wet feet, and I don't know how, because I went through that one hard. Oh, I do got wet feet. There it is. Trickle to the bottom. Oh, good old wet feet.
Damn.
These boots ain't waterproof in the least a bit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I hit that one at the end pretty hard, though.
I went through it.
Look,
Out of hell.
they living in that tent right there. They living in there. Well, that's a good camp spot if it wasn't on this busy road.
Yeah.
Well, we always connected some gravel. Been on some road. We ain't filming too much road because we don't really film a lot of road. Making our way along, seeing where we end up. At the end of the day, do some camping.
Like and subscribe, baby.
It's been a pretty good roads, man.
Yeah, it's good road. For us, anyway, for what we're doing.
Oh yeah.
It's like a beat you to death in a car.
Oh, I know. Ain't no way I could take it. Be way too slow paced.
Yeah, you'd be creeping through here.
So far, y'all, this Motos Tractionator, the Shinko Killer is what we're gonna call it right now.
Yeah, Shinko Killer. Once I get rid of this 2 pounds of hamburger meat, I'll be a little bit lighter. This is a good one.
So we get that 2 pounds of hamburger meat on that grumpy grill.
Yeah.
We'll be good to go.
And y'all really gonna enjoy this grumpy grill, I'll tell you.
It's simple yet way effective. All right, everybody, we're trying to find a camp now, I guess. We're making our way through. We're gonna try to find us a good creekside camp so we can
Hopefully.
take a little hoe bath. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. I need one.
And then,
My face off, I feel a lot better.
oh, look at that. That's a good camp right there. Look. Oh man, look at that camp. Hey, I'm pulling there. Look at that camp. It wasn't so muddy, dude. Look at that. That's pretty good.
Is that water right there?
Yeah, it's water right there. Here's it.
Feels good, don't it?
Here's a shot of the campsite we got. There's Jason, a new guy we met. Well, met him on Facebook, but first time meeting him in person. It's a pretty good little campsite. They're hammock campers. There's Jason's hammock. And there's Danny's hammock. I probably could sleep in Danny's hammock.
Right,
And
yeah. Maybe, yeah, I'm one.
Danny's over there. We'll see if we can get him on camera in a little bit. He's over there somewhere. There he is in the creek.
Want y'all check out my new Grumpy Grill. Made a little case at the house for it and everything. Show you how this works.
It's a pretty cool setup, actually. Moto camping. If you like to eat and are fat as we are. I think the guy, I'll show you, we'll get some other guys on camera in a minute. They might like to eat like we do.
One of them does for sure.
Look, you got to explain that. Look at that. It's got little legs.
We'll just like tuck it in. Use gravity.
Look at that.
Maybe not. Maybe not gravity.
Just a piece of stainless steel grate with legs on it. Look at that. Right over the charcoal.
Put it where we want it.
The ground's probably a little hard here because Rudy, but it worked, didn't it? Huh?
Just like that.
Look at that. It worked. It's the new and improved. We usually set that on rocks.
Yeah, usually on rocks with limited cook space. Now we got the full space.
Look at that. You can set it to adjust your height. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
And I'm gonna see how hot it gets really quick. And it is stainless steel, so it really holds heat and gets hot fast.
Yeah, it won't rust either. That's pretty cool, isn't it? And that's why we made the legs, so you can cook 4 big ass, I guess
Man-sized burgers.
Yeah, it's like, well, the old school like cat head biscuits. That's cat head burgers. Look how big these fucking things are. So what you think about your what you think about your new invention that you got?
I think after I get rid of 2 pounds of hamburger meat, I'll be able to ride a little easier tomorrow. I'll be more balanced.
Oh, yeah, how's your shoulder holding up today too?
It's doing alright. It hurts a little bit. I'll wait till I go to bed before I take the painkiller. The bikes are pretty big too, though.
Yeah, this is Jason's bike. It's a KLR 650. What year did you say it was?
2000.
So 2000. How many miles?
4,300.
So can anybody believe that there's a 2000 model KLR 650 with 4,200 miles on it?
No.
It's unbelievable. It's pretty cool bikes. So anybody that asks, KLRs and V-stroms, we comparing 2 because we got 2 V-stroms and they got 2 KLRs. What's the coincidence that they both ride the same kind of bikes? 2000 model. What year is this one?
2012, I think.
And then this is Danny's bike, 2012, he said he thinks. Which is pretty much all the same, different body work. Been pretty good guys so far. We've been liking it.
We're doing the night young.
So yeah, had a pretty good day. Timmy's bike's been doing pretty good since we got the all put back together. And the coolant thing's been a little dirty, as you can see, but it's been holding up pretty good. Ain't been too bad. Been too bad of a day. Has it been too bad of a day for you?
Nah, I've had a pretty good day.
You been enjoying it?
It's a great day.
Well, this is the first time we've ever rode with anybody since we've been riding, so been liking it. I think you and Danny just ride pretty much together too, don't you?
Yep. It's hard to keep up with you guys, but we do our best. You don't have to try hard. I'm hard keeping up with him.
Yeah, there's their tent set up. Look at this is a. I want to try one of these things actually.
Well, that's cool as hell.
Yeah.
It is.
It's a flat hammock. I want you gotta try that.
I gotta see
Pretty neat.
It,
And
I gotta
Jason,
because he's a pretty big guy.
yeah, we'll get him on camera in a little while, but Jason's a pure minimalist motorcycle camper, which I do like, and I envy it a little bit because I'm not.
Hammock, no bags.
Look, yeah, you got to notice that he's got a top case, no bags at all, and he sleeps in a hammock, and he's got no rain fly, no mosquito net. He's just hardcore in the shit out of it.
Yep.
I envy it a little bit.
I envy it.
I do. I envy it. You know, I like a little bit of comfort though. So call me what you will.
Yeah.
You know, but I could probably get down with that. Probably, maybe. All right, the burgers are coming along. Look at that. Smell-o-vision. Look, oh, look at that. Oh, burgers. It's working. The Grumpy Grill. See, it's working. Just don't get one of these. Multi-spice. For motor camping, don't work. All the spices are clogging up the top and they're not coming out. So this for motor camping is a no-go. At least it's only like $5. Don't really work that good. The burgers are going to be delicious. What you think?
Yeah. Swiss cheese, baby. They're going to be delicious.
Look, we got burgers, cheese,
tomato, onion.
Tomato, onion.
What?
Look at that.
Tomato's looking a little picky though.
Tomato, onion. They're eating the burgers like we eating burgers like we at a restaurant. Look, there's a Timmy hamburger that I done about ate half of. They turned out good. Look at that.
Swiss cheese and everything.
Yeah. Pretty good so far. See what we can do with it. Good. Good. Dinner's over. Fire's burning. Slowly with the wet ass wood. Alright, just chilling out. I'm going down here to the creek. Take me a little wash off in this cold, freezing cold water. We got a little shot down here where I'm gonna take a bath at. Little creek running down through here at our site. Down through there. Tents are just right there. Take me a little wash off in this thing. It's probably gonna be cold. We can do it though.
I didn't mean that really like that. But yo, when did you on camera?
Look, I got stung by bees, which ended my night.
That was a scare us.
Bigfoot.
There's Timmy talking about
That's what you
Bigfoot.
said today. He's cool as hell. So scare us. We need to get him right for real.
I don't know if it'll pick him up now though.
Yeah, see,
Dark,
it's pretty dark.
Yeah, see, it's pretty dark.
Yeah, we might have to do a tomorrow evening.
Yeah, but I got stung by a bee twice.
For some reason, they told him not to go to the right, but for some reason he went to the right.
So I got stung by a bee. Fire is still burning. It's getting close to 9 o'clock. This thing still winding down. The video ain't gonna be able to pick up anymore.
Yeah.
So
We had Jason in the background. He dipped out for some reason. And,
yeah, Jason was in the background.
Danny's over there.
Danny still ain't been on camera yet.
We still can't get him over.
We'll get him tomorrow in the next video. I
On a
guess.
couple of drive-bys.
Yeah, you might see. So he's a big dude. So you know, don't be intimidated.
We're having a good time.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
But we'll see y'all later. We signing out for tonight and see y'all in the next one.